But we like
As you see here, we lift the tank. We lift the tank, which is the shell of the tank is about 800 tons. We lift it with the wages. We didn't use any hydraulic jack or something. We lift it with the wages. Remove the bottom plate, remove the roof, floating roof complete. Now we are lay out the bottom plate. Welding already start. Short side of the plates. When they finish complete, we will start the longitudinal one.
Okay, if you could tell me about the hydrostatic test.
Hydrostatic test will be made when we complete everything finished. This means we finish the bottom plate, we make the construction of the roof, and on the end, when we start blasting and painting outside and the floating roof, we will, during this period, we will make the hydro test. Hydro test we are doing like this. First, take the accurate about 8 points on the tank.
Settlement checking. By surveying.
First settlement we are making when is water of the tank full.
Reading. First reading.
First reading.
Yes.
We are there. Second reading is when tank is half full. Third one is 75% is full and on the top, when it's on the top.
Yes.
Also, we are taking a reading when we start draining the tank after the hydro test. If is everything okay, we are taking the reading for the settlement of the ring beam. Again, 75, 50%, 25 and empty.
Okay, we have a standard for this it's allowable settlement. You know?
Yes, there is the API standard 650 or 653. So you can find the settlement what is allowed.
And also you can find that how after you inspect the plates, because if it's not good compaction, this is moving, and it's also there is allowance what you can allow it.
The big question: how we can fill 500,000 barrels by water?
Water.
By pump station.
From the Mediterranean Ocean.
Already a few months ago we finished this project firefighting upgrade project. Now we have a utility line, 10-inch utility line. What is the utility line? This is line predict for this purpose, hydro test or some washing or What we are doing on the water pond, we will install the pump, which is start pumping the water in the utility line. We will connect the hose, flexible hose, to the tank from the utility line, and we will
time. I mean,
with the 10-inch line, it will take about 22 days, 25 days, let's say.
Yes.
4 weeks normally. In the schedule you put 4 weeks.
Yes.
And when we start draining, there is two possibilities. We can drain this in the pit, or we can return back to the sea.
Yes.
Tank is painted.
Painted and inhibitor
tank
inside.
Is not painted. Tank is not inside, it's not painted.
Outside painted.
Only
just outside.
We are using this opportunity to paint outside,
This is what I mean.
It is not affecting or special floating roof, because we have to paint 1.5 meter on the top.
Yes.
And when the tank is in a higher position, we use opportunity to blast it and paint it.
This is why you have to combine the painting and the hydro test.
Yes. Really, it's a huge tank.
Here is the rolling ladder, but
I go with the tank too. I show you tank too.
Here is coming rolling ladder, and this one pipe, it is 12-inch pipe. It is guiding pool. It means when roof starts floating, this guiding pool not giving him to go somewhere,
the balancing,
keeping him in the position.
When tank is full, $50 million. $50 million plus, too much.
And what is important here, this bottom plate is very important to be straight, to be but how to be straight, there is a special procedure, not procedure, actually method of the welding. You know.
Yes.
Always it's back step welding.
Let move.
That means you weld this one part, but when you stop finish electrode, you start welding from this side and from this side and from this side. This is named back step welding.
Wow. Take too much time to complete all.
Exactly on this tank you have 3 kilometer and 35 meter of the weld.
Welding.
Only bottom plate.
Yeah.
Wow. 3 pass is 10 kilometer of the weld.
10 kilometer welding. So you can, from here you can weld to the tank farm.
The weld have to be like this. All weld have to be like this. Look at this weld. Oh.
And you see the corner?
Corner
No
is
sharp.
not finished. It's not sharp normally, and it's not finished because you have to remove this.
This one, yes.
This
Cleaning
is
under.
the tack weld, you know.
Yes.
And when they weld this one and this one, if we weld here, problem is how to join to the next to weld this one. That's the reason we leave it like this.
The welder from Versala.
Welder from Hydromontaža, which is a subcontractor of Ferro. And all of these welders, now in this moment there is only 11 welders. They already pass qualification test here. Qualification test.
You can't do it.
They cannot do any job here.
Even if you pass, but you go home for 30 days, you have to again, because maybe hand is not good. Too much drinking.
This is very strict really control.
Yes.
We don't like to have a problem. Up to now, we already changed several tanks, bottom plate, and installing the new floating roof. And we never ever have a leak on the tank.
Because
How
it's
you
good.
test the weld?
Vacuum test.
Vacuum.
Vacuum
You cannot just suck it and the vacuum. If the air goes inside, you see the.
You take the water, put the soap.
Yes,
the
yes.
water make these bubbles.
Yes.
You put the water with these bubbles, and
You make it.
there is the special how to call it on the English box that with the glass on the top.
Yes. So you
And
can see the bubbles.
Yeah, you can see if it's bubbles,
Yes.
it means
Some small porosity or air hole.
porosity.
What's the action after?
Repair.
Cut it,
Cut it,
repair,
repair
new
it.
weld. That is simple.
So the compaction layers every 10 centimeters, right?
Actually, this sand you cannot compact. This sand. As soon as it, you see,
Yes.
it dry, it is break.
So just watering,
We are
yeah?
just watering.
Watering,
When you
yes.
watering, it is compacted
Yes,
properly.
it's self-compacted,
you can see over
yes.
there, you know, and we have to lay
It's
out
a fine
the plate.
layer. It is like a blown sand.
Yes, this is such fine that you cannot compact.
Yeah. So it's non-plastic type of sand. I think.
No, not.
It's
This is
not contain the clay and.
no clay. This is just the fine sand, like
Fine
a powder,
sand,
It is
just to give
powder
the
sand, yes.
exactly the nice level.
Yes, okay.
Because anyhow, if you got the things, if the whole thing uniform, if it is 1 millimeter settling, is no problem. And the last weld, when you finish everything, then you weld all around.
Yes.
When all make, because with the welding is very important the sequence that has to
Sequence is
move,
very
has
important.
to in good position. If you make opposite, it's buckling.
Yes.
The welding between this, we call sketch plate, the last plate. You can see here, this